Color Box Extension. This lesson will help the child to educate visual sense, to help them get familiar with colors, enhance their artistic sense, sharpen the child's eye-hand coordination, control of movement, and develop his vocabulary. Leopard, whale, elephant, pig, mammoth, polar bear, and turtle. This is orange. What's orange? The mammoth is orange. This is black. The whale is black. This is pink. The pig is pink. This is white. The polar bear is white. This is gray. The elephant is gray. This is yellow. The leopard is yellow. This is brown. The turtle is brown. You can do this lesson with any colors or objects that you have at home. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.